Okay, we are on to number 6. We're almost there. Number 6 are items that I couldn't put under any other category. They're other useful supplies to have on hand for your projects. Now, let's go again to the overhead. So, one item, I always have some form of wipe on hand. Should I have a little oops, I can quickly dispense one of those and wipe the paint up before it dries or cures. Now, I like having some form of palette to dispense my paint onto. Now, I can use random pieces of Mylar. I do have a plastic palette that can be cleaned, or you could put saran wrap over it for reusing. You could also put saran wrap over some of these plates to get multiple uses out of them. It's just nice to have something sturdy that you can hang on to, dispense your paint onto, and load it onto your brush. Now, I also have paper towel on hand. I use that for offloading excess paint. So once I've loaded the paint on, I will offload it on to a paper towel so I have a good dry brush for painting. If you work with fabric, pillow covers, it's always good to have a little lint brush on hand and remove any excess lint before you start working on your project. One other item, if I am painting a larger project or multiple colors, I'll have a mug or cup with a little bit of water on hand. And when I finish with a color or a brush, I will then put it into that cup and let it sit there until I've finished everything. It just makes it a little bit easier at cleanup time that the brush has not got a lot of dried up paint on it.